Hey everyone, welcome to Poco Gadget. If you're looking for a flagship level smartphone at a more affordable price, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to check out the top 5 flagship killer smartphones in 2025. These phones have powerful specs, lightning fast performance, and are perfect for gaming, multitasking, or just making a statement. So let's dive right in. One, Poco X7 Pro. It comes with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring super smooth visuals. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset, this phone can handle even the most demanding apps and games. You also get 12 GB of RAM and a massive 512 GB of storage. For cameras, it features 50MP main sensor with OIS, 8MP ultra-wide lens, 20MP front camera for crystal clear selfies. And when it comes to battery life, it's a beast. It packs a 6000 mAh battery with 90W fast charging, lasting you all day without worrying about running out of power. Next up, we have a Xiaomi 14T Pro, a true flagship killer with top-tier specs. It boasts a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with an insane 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth animations. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, paired with 12 GB of RAM and storage options from 256 GB to 512 GB, making it perfect for gaming and heavy multitasking. For photography, you get 50MP main camera with OIS, 12MP ultra-wide lens, 50MP telephoto camera, 32MP front camera for high-detail selfies. It also features a 5000 mAh battery with 120W fast charging, meaning you can fully charge it in just minutes. Three, OnePlus Nord 4. The OnePlus Nord 4 is a great pick for those who want a smooth and responsive display. It has a 6.74-inch Fluid AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, making everything look sharp and fluid. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset, with RAM options of 8GB, 12GB, or even 16 GB of storage option from 128 GB to 512 GB. For cameras, it includes 50MP main camera with OIS, 8MP ultra-wide lens, 16MP front camera, and for battery life, you get a 5500 mAh battery with 100W fast charging, so you'll never have to wait long to power up. 4. OnePlus 13R. If you're looking for a premium flagship killer, the OnePlus 13R is a solid choice. It features a 6.78-inch LTPO 4 AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for an ultra-smooth experience. Performance-wise, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, with RAM options of 8GB, 12GB, or 16 GB of storage options of 256 GB to 512 GB, ensuring top-tier performance. For cameras, it has 50MP main camera with OIS, 8MP ultra-wide lens, 50MP telephoto lens, 16MP front camera, and for power, it's equipped with a 6000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging, so you get long-lasting battery life with super fast charging. Last but definitely not least, we have the Vivo iQOO 13, a flagship killer with high-end features. It comes with a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, giving you an ultra-smooth visual experience. For performance, It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, making it one of the fastest phones on the market. It has 12 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes of RAM and storage options ranging from 512 gigabytes to 1 terabyte. The camera setup is truly flagship level, featuring 50MP main camera with OIS, 50MP ultra-wide lens, 64MP telephoto lens, 32MP front camera for high-resolution selfies. And when it comes to battery life, it packs a 6,150 mAh battery with 120W fast charging, meaning you can charge it in no time and use it all day. So that's it. The top 5 flagship killer smartphones of 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support this channel and stay updated on the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay techie.